Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embrace the holiday spirit with simple yet stunning decor ideas that bring warmth and cheer to your home. From classic red and green themes to modern metallic accents, these festive themes cover a range of styles for every taste. Discover do-it-yourself craft like homemade ornaments, garlands, and personalized weathers that add a unique touch to your decor. This guide also provides ideas for creating cozy hooks with soft blankets, twinkling lights, and festive candles that enhance the ambience. Learn how to decor your tree, mantle, and dining table with simple items that make a big impact. Perfect for those on a budget for looking for quick upgrades. These decor tips help you create a magical holiday atmosphere. With these festive ideas, you will set the stage for memorable Christmas celebration that is both beautiful and easy to achieve. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.